So you're going to add your transcriptions, you're going to check if you need to cut some parts, and then after that, you're just going to prove it with your script to see maybe some parts were cut. CapCut loves to break some words into two parts, so I would usually check that with my first script. And here, the question is like, what if CapCut is not smart enough for me? Well, it's pretty simple. You have the script already in the language. Why not try to add the transcription manually with the script you already have? And after that, you have the base, and my favorite part is adding the hooks. And I know, like, the hooks are pretty simple. You are just going to see the hook in English, pick some B-rolls, put the B-rolls, and add the copy in the native language. Simple. And here the question is, how do we prove it? And this is something that I think is pure magic. It's called Copywink, and I think it can check every single language that I've tried it with. Basically, the way it works is you're going to just put the original language, transcription you want, and then after that, everything that made zero sense to you is now added and transcribed to English. So you can check if the structure of your video is good, if it is not, if something needs to be changed. This is a game changer. Let me show you. Does this make sense now?
After buying Blended, eating healthy has become super easy for me. ये blender दिखने में compact है, but ये actually बहुत powerful है. आप चाहे तो smoothies बनाओ या shakes.
I know. I was very relieved when I saw that, because when you see something like that, you really don't know if they're saying something that's not right to be there. But yeah, as I said, Copywink, pure magic. And after that, if you're not purely relying on Copywink, but honestly, I would rely on it because we don't see almost any mistakes, you're just going to go back to your translator, or maybe somebody else, some other translator that you like, just for a second pair of eyes, and ask them to check your script. And they can send you like a document like that with just some small tweaks that you need to do so that your video is ready. And you go back, you tweak it, and then we go to how much does it cost? Copywink, basically if you decide to use the paid version, it's going to be $24 a month. You can also go without it, but it's just going to simplify your life. And then for QA, again, you're not going to pay more than $10, $15. So by the end of this, you already have the video. Then what is step 5? That's it, guys. Go have a cocktail. You just made your first batch of videos in a language you don't understand. So it's time to have that cocktail, and you just go, run it, and hopefully it starts performing so that you can learn and iterate. And let's draw the line. What's the total cost of all this? Well, we have step 1, which is the your market. And it's only your time. I know it's precious, but you cannot enter a market without spending your time on research. Step 2, if you don't use any platforms like Bureau, BO, and so on, it's going to be 0.